Okay, in this video I'm going to show people how to change their fire mode. So all we're going to do is focus on how to change the different colors in fire mode. So first thing we do is touchpad and left. That goes into programming mode. You'll notice the colors are here. I'm going to turn this down a little bit so you can kind of see better what's going on. So you can see this is an orange and a red. We'll go up a little. So let's say I want to have this be blue and pink. Your right and up are going to control the bottom color here. Now, because we're adjusting hues, the hues can't overlap. You'll notice they're both kind of a gold or yellow now. And this won't go up anymore. All of the LEDs are gold hued now. What you can do is you can take the top, which will be represented by the triangular colors, up. And so if we keep going up with this, we can go up to pinks and blues and all sorts of other hues. So that's set to a nice pink. Then we can go up further with this because it's not colliding with that hue anymore. And we can turn this to a blue. And really the changes here are just your own experimentation. So we've got a pink and a blue. We'll turn it up a couple more things just to make it a little bit more evident. Now again, these are the colors you want. All you have to do is hit down and L3 and you'll exit programming mode. That will actually save this to the stick. So now if you unplug it and plug it back in, it will have the same programming. And then what you're going to do is just you hold the button down and now it's blue and pink instead of the red and yellow. It's that simple. You can set the colors to whatever you want. We'll go back into programming mode here. I like fire mode. I think it's a really neat mode with the colors I picked. So this is the one mode that right now you can actually just hit the start key and it'll reset everything back to the way it was. Okay? You come out, it saves that to the EEPROM, so now it will save when you unplug and plug the stick back in. That's it for now. We're going to go on to the next mode in a new video.